Welcome to another tutorial series. What I'll be showing you today is how to create social icon buttons. On your screen right now, we're on Google. These are the various different social icons which you can use for your website if you're designing one. But I'll be showing you how to customize yours to look like this if you want to design something for yourself. So right away, let's navigate to Dreamweaver. I will open a new file here and call it social. Here on our design view, let's just name it and call it social. Then let's go to our code view and start something. What I want to do right now is on the body tag, drop it a little and insert some buttons. So right now I'll just say input, say buttons, okay, that's what we have on the design view. There we go, that's our button there. So I'll duplicate this into 4 places. But before then, I'll just put a div tag, put all this in a div tag. And close that up. Then here I'll call this one Facebook. Call this Twitter. Then this Google Plus, and this one RSS. Let's use capital letter. Save. Then here we go. The button is right here. So let's go back to code view and correct that Twitter error. So okay, we save and preview in our browser. This is what we have here: Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and RSS. Right now they are just regular buttons, so we need to style them a bit. So before we do that, let's give these buttons ID. So we need to give each of them ID. With an ID of FB. On this one, give it an ID of tweet. This one, let's give it an ID of, let's say, G+. Then on this one, ID of RSS. The reason for this is because we want to start targeting each of the buttons separately. So right now, before our closing head tag, let's just open a style button, a style tag there for our CSS. Close that up. There we go. First and foremost, we give the div, give it a background, or rather give it a width of 500 pixel and height 400 pixel. Let's center align the div, give it a margin of 0 auto. That should do. Here we go. Our div is right at the middle. So now all we need to do right now is go back to code view and work on it. Pardon the noise from the background. What we need to do right now is come down here and start targeting each of the divs separately. So first and foremost, let's give the first div ID, which is FB. Let's give it a width of 100 pixel and height of 40 pixel. Then the background of light blue for Facebook. Then let's give it the color of white. Let's take white. And what else do we need to give to it? Font size. Font size of 24 pixel. Then a margin right of 10 pixel. So what we have here, sorry for that. Save and preview. There we go. This is our Facebook button here. So right now, let's give it a border radius. Border radius of 7 pixel. There we go. Now we have this nice curve here. So let's work on these 3 different feeds at the same time. So just come here, copy. I'm a bit lazy here, but follow along. Then change the ID to tweet. Then background color, select something for Twitter. which let's check. The next one is G+. G+. So background color. Let's give it nice red. Then let's add the last one, which is RSS. Then let's give it a machine color on RSS feed. Let's save, go back to our browser. Sorry about that. Let's preview. There you go. G+ was not targeted. Let's see the reason why. Let's just troubleshoot that a little. The ID was G+. Let's just target this. Let's give it an ID of G instead. And let's change this. Save. Let's preview again. There we go. Now it's looking a bit nice here. So right now we can decide to add one more line of code to our div tag. We can put a display block. Let's give it a display block attribute. Okay. So right now, what we need to do is to undergo one more process. We want to add a little effect, an over effect to these buttons, so that when you overround it, you should be able to move. So right now, at least let's go back to Dreamweaver and add those effects. So I'll just copy this right here. I'll add a pseudo selector from over and give it a background image. So select this one and save. Save and preview. Right now, here we go. It's showing this nice effect, But first and foremost, we need to correct some things. So let's go to our folder where we have our job residing and see exactly our image dimension. So our dimension here is 77 by 81. So what we need to do is to go and add an height and a width to our selector. So sorry about that. Add a width of 88 pixel and height of 77 pixel. Let's save and go back to our browser. Let's refresh. There you go. I have an image there. So for the width, I'll make it 85 pixel. I'll do this for the rest. Just need to change this. G blocks. Call this RSS. Arrow RSS. Then add one more. Call this tweet. Change this to tweet. Let's go back to our browser. See the little changes. Here we go. There we go. Now our RSS feeds are working properly, except the one for the Twitter. I think it's TW. I'll save. Sorry, my system is really a bit slow right now. Having so many issues. So there you go. Here, tweet. There you go. Now you have so that's how to make a simple button or social button for your website. Thank you for watching. If you like this